what not to bring with you when you travel on an airplane. Every one of us needs deodorant. But my friends, the deodorant is 6 ounces and you're only allowed 3.4 ounces. So leave that big deodorant at home if you're not taking a checked piece of luggage. Also, the toothpaste. This toothpaste is 4.0 ounces, but as you can see, it's only 1/3 full, if that. No, my friends. TSA guidelines state that any liquid or cream that you bring with you, the original packaging cannot be more than 3.4 ounces. So no toothpaste in your carry-on unless it is the small travel size. Okay, so you take a vitamin every single day. My friends, do you know how heavy it is to have this container and how much space it takes up in your bag? Leave the big bottles at home, get the smaller bottles to travel with, or if you're just taking a car trip, you can have this, but again, no for the weight. Don't carry weight. Don't take up your poundage with a large bottle. Ooh, okay, we all need our perfumes, our colognes, our aftershaves. But my friends, this is a large bottle. It's a 7 fluid ounces. Do not take this. Leave that at home. Take your travel size. You will be much happier with your luggage being less weight to pull in and out of the car, as well as if you're traveling, that's wasted space and wasted weight. Be conscious of what you bring.